What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to teach you how to play Party Favor by Billie Eilish on ukulele. Alright, so there are 5 different chords in this song. They are not too hard, but let's go ahead and get through them, and then we'll get to the strumming pattern and figuring out how to play the verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus. And I'm pretty sure that's it. Also, a quick interruption, I just started my own merch/brand thing, so I have my own shop on a website. I'll put the link in the bottom down here. It's called SiclePop, but we got some Christmas stuff. It's like anime inspired. It's cool, you should go check it out. But anyway, back to the tutorial. All right, so the first chord you want to know is a C, which is just this bottom string on the 3rd fret. The chord after that is an A minor, which is this top string on the 2nd fret. The chord after that is an F, which is the same as A minor, except you put your pointer finger on this 3rd string, 1st fret. Then the chord after that is an F minor, which is pointer finger, top string, 1st fret, middle finger, 3rd string, 1st fret, and then your pinky on the bottom string, 3rd fret. And then the next chord is an E. I like to play it barred. If you play it barred, it's barring the 2nd fret and putting your finger across these top 3 strings on the 4th fret. You could also play it like this, which is your pointer finger, top string, 1st fret, middle finger, bottom string on the 2nd fret, and then your pinky on the 2nd string of the 4th fret. Same exact chord, whatever you prefer. And the final chord is a G, which is your middle finger, bottom string of the 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string, 3rd fret, and your pointer finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. And that's all the chords. C, A minor, F, F minor, E, and G. Now let's get to the strumming pattern. All right, so the strumming pattern for this song is the classic ukulele strumming pattern, which is the down, down, up, up, down, up. And just depending on where you're at in the song, sometimes you do it twice, sometimes you do it once. The best way that I figured out doing it is just listening to it and then figuring out how many times to do it on each one, that goes with the rhythm. Or you can just watch me go through the verses, the chorus, and everything like that and figure it out together with me. So let's go ahead and play through the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, and all the fun stuff in between. All right, starting with the verse. Hey, call me back when you get this, but when you got a minute, we really need to talk. Wait, you know what, maybe just forget it, 'cause by the time you get this, your number might be blocked. And now the pre-chorus, starting with A minor. Stay and blah, blah, blah. You just want what you can't have. No way, I'll call the cops. If you don't stop, I'll call your dad. Chorus, starting with F. And I hate to do this to you on your birthday. Happy birthday, by the way. It's not you, it's me and all that other bull crap. You know that's bull crap, don't you, babe? I'm not your party favor. And then you go back to the next verse. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Party Favor by Billie Eilish on the ukulele. It's a really fun song. It's kind of old, but it's still fun. And I just learned it, so maybe other people want to actually learn it too. So hopefully this helps. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.